In today's product review, we're going to have a look at a brand new product from Airoh. It's the Aviator 3. This is a brand new helmet from the ground up. Everything is different to it. Let's have a look at some of the features. First up, you'll notice the box. It's packaged like a luxury item with the accessories displayed in a unique way, and also a helmet bag that is very versatile. You can store your goggles in there, and it has lots of other little pockets, so it's a dedicated helmet bag. The shell is available in carbon 3K, which is the helmet that we have right here, and HPC carbon for other graphics. It comes in 4 shell sizes. The 8 air intakes and spoilers with integrated extractors provides increased inner ventilation, along with the innovative AHS, Airoh Hydro System, integrated into the EPS, so you're set for extreme conditions. The all-new safety features are the AMS2+, the Airoh Emergency Fast Release, the Airoh Magnetic Lining System. Also, the new inner shell in the AMS2+ liner is the material EPP, Expanded Polypropylene, which has memory foam characteristics. This material is for low speed and medium speed accidents. So Airoh are ahead of the game in safety. If you have a look on the back of your standard helmet, it'll have standard homologation of 2.05. However, very soon, the standard of homologation will be 22.06. With new regulations, Airoh's Aviator 3 meets the standards now. So the things that you're going to notice about the brand new Airoh Aviator 3 is when you pick it up off the shelf, it's a little bit heavier than the old Airohs. It's still quite light, but because it's meeting the new standards of 22.06, that means that it's a little bit heavier because of the material that's in it, but it means it's a lot safer helmet. Now, what does that mean for the trail bike rider? It still sits really comfortable on your head, so it's quite well balanced on your head. If you're a trail bike rider, you're gonna have no problem wearing this helmet all day long. Now the chin pads are magnetic as well as the inner liner. That makes changing it a breeze and washing it so much easier. A great thing for the trail bike riders is this hydro system. That's so cool. All you have to do is run your hydro hose through it and it runs into your helmet, so you don't have to be picking your hose up every now and again. If you've got a bite valve, you're done. You can ride all day long in the extreme heat, not get a hot head, have a drink, you're beating the elements there and then. So guys, the Aviator 3 is ahead of the game. We know that the standards are going to change very shortly, so a lot of helmets are going to have to up the game. Airoh's already there. Go out, check them out at your local motorbike store. These things are well worth looking at. They look very cool.